one. Corn Flakes, Rice Krispies, Frosted Flakes, Product 19. Trust your mornings to Kellogg's.
And you save $5. Add the old cotton top. Now just $6.99. Cool comfort and
Standing, sitting, there's one pantyhose that's always spinning.
Here I am, with the new Kodomatic Trim Print Instant Color Film.
Anyone can do extraordinary things, but he didn't tell you trim print is only...
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following areas: Mishrumia and Herzegovina, effective until further notice. Yesterday at 11:04 p.m. Universal Coordinated Time, a strange figure has been spotted with a huge mallet, and was seen killing some toads. The strange figure has been described as a giant green Yoshi, and may be the infamous serial killer and tax fraud committer Giant Evil Yoshi, that disappeared over a year ago. We advise you to not leave your homes at night, and lock your doors and close the windows, even if a heat wave is happening. Do not attempt to approach the Giant Yoshi, and don't try to attack the Giant Yoshi. If you are somehow outside, we advise you to hide and make as little noise as possible, until the Giant Yoshi goes away. If he sees you, he may hit you with his hammer, and eat you alive. If you do see him, call the Department of Defense's Homicide Hotline at 321-654-9870. Stay tuned for further notice.